challenge. What's this? It's a robot, and my mom has the ability to turn this guy on and try to scare me. How far is in here? And look, it's boarded. Look. See my veins, I'm trying so hard. For 24 hours, and I bet I'm on state. Long. Yeah. I'll probably just do some crazy stuff. Probably sit or anything. You know what I mean? I've just been staring at this wall. I'm constipated. I don't know what to do. So, yeah, I'm trying to make this stand up so y'all can see me here. What? Okay. Move all the medicine stuff. Okay. Yes. We're gonna be doing this. First, I'm taking a nap. That's night. It's night. How many times I have to be real here that it's night? Guys, it's night, actually night. I'm going to... You're not scared. Guys, I think he's gonna move. Whoa, what the? Dude, I'm literally just picking this guy up. He's 180 because he's a robot. Pounds. 180 pounds. There, I just moved him out of the way so I can sleep right here. That'll be my pillow. Good night, everyone. Oh. What the? Did that skeleton move? Oh my god. That means... See, it was over there. If you remember, go back and rewind the video. Not yet. And see if this guy was over here. Oh wait. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, you probably already did it. Yep. Good. Bolts. Nobody. What the? What? Okay, so are we supposed to take this guy down? I don't know, but it's already day, so I think we made it for 24 hours. Get away. Get away. See you. Goodbye, everyone. Dude, that's not how you do it. Then how does it go? You press that.